Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to add a files column to your board and attach a document to a specific item directly from your computer, so your team has everything they need in one place. First, head to your monday.com workspace and land on the home page. Make sure you're signed in and that you have edit permissions on the board you'll be working with. From home, open the board where you want to upload files. I'm opening a sample project board, but you can choose any board that matches your workflow. On the board, look to the far right of your column headers for the small plus icon. Click that pluses icon to add a new column. This is how we bring in a files column, which is designed specifically for storing attachments like PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and presentations alongside your items. When the column options appear, select Files. Monday.com will add a files column to your board instantly. This column acts as the home for all attachments tied to each row, keeping documents organized and easy to find. Now pick the item you want to attach a file to and click the blank cell in the Files column for that item. This opens the uploader. You'll see several source options, but for this walkthrough, we'll upload directly from the device you're using. Choose. From computer, your system's file picker will open. Browse to the folder that contains the document you want to attach. If you're not sure which file to use, look for a clearly named, up-to-date version to avoid confusion later. Monday.com supports common file types like .pdf, .docx, XLSX, .png, and JPG, and larger files may take a moment to upload depending on your connection. Select the file, then click Open. You'll see a brief upload indicator, and once it's done, the file will appear right inside that file cell. You can hover over the thumbnail to preview it or click to open it in the file viewer. From there, teammates can download the file, leave comments if your plan supports it, and keep the conversation tied to the exact item it relates to. If you attach the wrong file, you can remove it from the viewer and repeat the same steps to add the correct one. That's all there is to it. Open your board, add a files column, click the empty cell for your item, choose from computer, pick your file, and hit open. Your document is now securely attached to the item and ready for your team to use. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in monday.com.